Hello, Doctor. I'm Parin. This is Vishnu Kant Singh. Welcome, sir, in Admission Media. Yes, today we're going to discuss about the NEET PG 23 counseling schedule. Your tentative counseling schedule has been published. The biggest change has been made. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, we have already uploaded a video talking about the expected change in rule and regulation of NEET PG 23 also on the behalf of NEET UG 2023 counseling schedule. The video is already present, and in this session, we are seeing the multiple of the rules of counseling has been changed, as we are talking in the previous video also. So in this session or in this video, we will be discussing about the tentative schedule of NEET PG 23 counseling schedule, as well as we are going to discuss about the what are the major changes which has been made from last year, that is PG 22 to the PG 23, as well as there is one more big question: if mop-up round is not happening, then there will be any revised cutoff or not. When your revised cutoff can be expected to be out, what can be the expected revised cutoff? These all details will be covered in this video, as well as we're going to discuss about the deemed universities history round, because till now there are multiple of the candidates as well as the parents. What they do, they directly go to the college, make some payment. Colleges promise, I'm not taking any particular college name. There are major of the colleges who does these things. I am not telling anything. Neither I'm pointing any particular college. But what happens, that's what I'm telling you. Multiple of the colleges people promise you that we will allot you the seat in the last round, that is stray round. In this session, 100% seats of deemed universities also will be allotted through online counseling. There is no any offline counseling. So if you're looking for a private medical seats or a private medical colleges for your preferred branches, then how to proceed for it, how to make your NRI document, how to proceed for the counseling. For all these details, you can contact me on the given number below, and no need to worry, the rules has been changed. But if you're looking for a particular branch and you are interested in something, you can contact us. Our team media will is 1000% sure that we can allot you the seat as per your branch, as per your preference, and as per your budget also. For all those details, you can contact me on the given number below, 9545 95519. Let's talk about the counseling. As per the tentative schedule, it's official schedule, of course. The counseling is starting from the 27th of July, the round 1. Registration and choice filling will start from 28th of July to the 2nd of August. So you have enough time to do your choice filling practicing. The round 1 will be last till the 13th of August is the last date of joining. The result will be from 5th of August, and the joining will be from 7th to the 13th of August. And if I talk about when your seat matrix will be published, your seat matrix will be published somewhere around 27th July evening, late evening, or in the morning of the 28th of July, because you have more than enough time to do your choice filling. So no need to panic or no need to do anything. Just relax. Once the seat matrix is out, you can plan your counseling as per that. Round 2 is starting from the 17th of August and will be up to 4th of August. 17th, the registration facility will be available from the 17th of August to the 21st of August. The result will be out on the 25th of August. And the counseling, the reporting and joining will be 27th of August to 4th of September. Means round 2 will be over by 4th of September. Once round 1 of All India will be over, all the starts round 1. Once the state round 1 will be over, All India will start their round 2. Similarly, once the All India round 2 will be over, states will start their round 2. And once state round 2 will be over, the All India round 3, earlier which was named as mop-up round, will be starting. And if I talk about the mop-up round or the round 3, which is presently, the name has been changed, and as well as some rules and regulation, which we'll be also discussing in this video. So mop-up round, or you can say that simply round 3, will be starting from 7th of September to the 12th of September will be your registration. The result will be on 16th of September, and the reporting and the joining will be from 18th of September to the 25th of September. Means your round 3 will be completed by the 15th of September. And the stray round, the most important point is here, it has already been mentioned, is online stray vacancy round for All India, 100% Central University, 100% deemed university seats, AFMS, PGDNB seats will be allotted in this stray round, will be online. And the stray round again has a fresh registration, and the registration is from 28th of September to the 30th of September, and the result will be out on the 4th of October, 30th of September, 28th to 30, your registration will be there, and 4th of October, your result will be there, and the counseling will be over by 10th of October in the All India round itself. Similarly, your states will be almost somewhere around, states straight round will be also over by the 10th of October itself, and after that there won't be any admission. As per the Supreme Court rule and regulation, which was the notification or the judgment which was passed on the December, near about December, they have clearly mentioned in the stray round or any seat which is allotted through college itself will be null and void. So college is playing zero role in your counseling. All the seats will be allotted through your counseling only. So how to proceed for the management or NRI seat will be having a different process, but it doesn't mean that if you are eligible, just eligible, or you will be eligible after this revised cutoff also, then you can't get your preferred branches or preferred higher clinical branches like radioderma medicine. The process will be different. You have to understand the process, understand the chronology of the things, understand the counseling particularly, then only you can get your branch. Otherwise you have to take a drop. This year it is also expected, like it happened in the NEET UG, that if you allotted any seat in the straight round, whether you join or don't join, you join, then it's fine, no need to worry. If you don't join, you will be debarred from the NEET PG counseling, NEET UG counseling for 1 year. Earlier it was 2 years, but MCC has updated it. They have changed their information bulletin and they did it for the 1 year now. So hopefully these rules can be shown in the NEET PG 23 also, but the major rule has already been deflected in this tentative counseling schedule. That is, your straight round will be totally online. Deemed universities straight round will be also online. So you don't have to panic or you don't have to visit every college separately to attend their counseling. It will be online itself. When your NRI seats will be converted to management, that thing to be noticed. Mainly it will happen in the mop-up round itself. So in straight round, if you are applying directly, most probably you will be getting higher clinical branches. But waiting till straight round and applying directly in straight round will be a choiceful option to do or not. That's a paid counseling part. You have to register and make the payment for that. But the big rules has been changed. Now if I talk about the revised cutoff, now there is no mop-up round. So multiple of the rumors will be there. It is already happening and they are panicking the candidates that there won't be any revised cutoff. Nothing gonna happen like that. There will be a revised cutoff and most probably it will be after the round 2 of the counseling, because round 3 the name has been changed, some rules has been changed, upgradation will be allotted in NEET PG or not. In NEET UG they have did the information bulletin. Once your information bulletin will be published, we will be having a clear idea about everything, how the counseling will proceed, what will be the rules and regulation. But if the counseling schedule is most particular with the NEET UG, so we can expect the rules which are changed in the NEET UG will be happening for the NEET PG also. The rules which I have already mentioned, the clear from the tentative seat matrix have already been updated to you. Told you from this tentative seat counseling schedule, what can be the expected rule and regulation I have already mentioned you. No need to panic. If you waiting for a revised cutoff, you can proceed for our paid counseling guidance. We can assure you your branch, your budget as per that, as per your rank and everything. What can be the expected revised cutoff, that will be updated after this seat matrix. The seat matrix is expected somewhere around 28th of July. So till then wait and you can plan your counseling. Very soon your all the states counseling will be updated. But the big change can happen from the UP also, because in UP, in NEET UG, what they are asking, they are saying about the MCC common counseling. Till now, even in the NEET UG, UP haven't mentioned anything, haven't declared any counseling schedule. So it's interesting to wait for the UP that what exactly they do, because what happens, every candidate just focus for the UP, because even on the lower rank, if you're looking for the last year cutoff or the allotments, believe me, as per that, no seat will be allotted in this session, because the rules has been changed, and the effect of this rule will be is that there will be a huge positive shift. Yes, as well as a negative shift also, because there is an upgradation rule in the mop-up round itself. So you can understand what gonna happen, what not gonna happen. These all details will be available in our paid counseling guidance. If you're looking for a paid counseling guidance for a management seat or NRI seats, our slots are open. You can contact me on the given number below, that is 9545955519, as well as you can visit our website admissionmedia.in for more details. Thank you so much for watching this video, but do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Instagram, that is Admission Media, as well as join our Telegram channel Admission Media, because whatever the latest, we are the first people to inform you. So do connect it with us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.